High-frequency trading isn't just some fancy tech trick that makes the market faster. It's a ruthless machine designed to take advantage of every millisecond you give it. You think you're playing a fair game, but the moment you blink, these algorithms have already carved up your positions and sucked every bit of liquidity from the pool before you even know what happened. It's infuriating, right? You're out there grinding, making decisions, building strategies, while these invisible players exploit tiny time windows and massive firepower to pick your pockets in ways no human could ever catch fast enough. The pain is real. Watching your trades get front-run, the market moving against you with no good explanation, the frustration of losing edge to something that feels completely rigged. Here's the brutal truth nobody wants to admit. They've built a system that's less about the true value and more about speed and information asymmetry. High-frequency traders aren't just traders. They're microscopic hunters who corner speed, infrastructure, and data power to create an uneven battlefield. They put their servers physically closer to the exchanges, pay millions for intel streams you never see, and run orders in ways that slice milliseconds into profits. It's not about the market. It's about exploiting tiny gaps before anyone else even notices a move started. If you still believe this is fair, or that your average hedge fund or investor can compete with that on pure skill alone, you're kidding yourself. And it's costing you more than you realize. You can be mad, frustrated, maybe even feel powerless, but anger won't make you any faster or smarter. Here's what you need to do, step by step, or keep losing ground every day. First, stop treating the market like a single surface where every trade happens equally. It's layered, segmented, and these HFT players control key layers you don't see. You need tools that reveal microstructure, heat maps, order book dynamics, dark pool flows, the real pulse behind the ticks. You don't just want to track price, you want to see liquidity shifts before they damage your positions. Next, get your tech stack sharp enough to compete, not by matching speed with quicker algorithms. That's a losing battle unless you're ready to spend insane budgets. Instead, focus on predictive intelligence, models that anticipate flow changes, that identify patterns invisible to rule-based systems. Use alternative data that these traders overlook because it's slow or soft. Sentiment, cross-asset correlations, or even social chatter that cuts through the noise before it gets baked into prices. Then, this is crucial, build alliances to access exclusive streams and pools. No single fund can go it alone effectively. You need to hook into syndicates, consortia, or networks that pool not just capital but data and tech insight. Sharing strategies, real-time signals, and infrastructure resources with the right partners flips the power dynamic. Transparency and collaboration here aren't optional, they're survival. Finally, and this is where most fail, start thinking flexibly about market making and execution. Blindly shooting large orders publicly makes you a target. Break orders into intelligent slices timed around flow shifts, pull liquidity aggressively off public books when you sense predatory algorithms hunting, and use hidden venues strategically. Don't give them the ammo to leverage your own moves against you. Look, no one's handing this market to you on a silver platter. High-frequency trading is a beast that takes more than money. It demands relentless adaptation, access to secret streams, a network that's smarter and faster, and tech that reads the market's heartbeat before it even skips. Get those pieces right, and you stop being prey and start fighting back on your terms. You're not helpless in this game, but you don't get to be a victim either. Fix your view, build your edge, and move with brutal precision. This is the level of fight it takes to hold ground in the shadows where real money moves unseen. Ignore it, keep playing the old way, and the only secret you'll end up knowing is how much you just lost. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.